Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about rebuild and remanufactured parts in the automotive industry nowadays. I'm going to give you an example of some of the stuff we're running into. We rebuild torque converters here. This is a torque converter out of an '05 Nissan Xterra that has been remanufactured prior to coming into our shop. The vehicle came in for a transmission overhaul, so naturally we're going to cut the converter apart and get the contamination out, replace the clutches, the seals, and rebuild it. So I'm not sure what company rebuilt this thing. There's a sticker on here, and but it had been rebuilt prior to us getting it. Since 1985, it's been rebuilt. Okay, so I cut it apart. It looked pretty good. One thing I want to point out on converters is that nowadays you'll see a lot of torque converters that fins are furnace brazed into the impeller. This keeps the fins nice and tight because they have a tendency to get loose in here. I've actually seen them rip completely out of the impeller before. These are furnace brazed in. Most converters are nowadays. Whoever rebuilt this converter did a pretty good job as far as replacing the clutches. They put new frictions in it. They put new steels. All that's in there nice. They put a new sealing ring on the turbine. And then the piston that goes down inside the drum right here, it's got an inner and outer seal on it. Now that's where we ran into a little bit of a problem. We took the piston out. I've already taken the outer seal off. It was nice and soft. I'm going to put a new one on it. But the inner seal that goes down inside the clutch hub right here, when I took it off, I had a very difficult time getting it off. And the reason for that is because it's very hard and very brittle. And as you can see, it broke in pieces. It was never replaced since '05. So somebody missed that one. It happens. So I want to point out, we're seeing a lot more of this nowadays in the automotive industry with remanufactured parts coming in the door, not being built up to the quality they used to be. Now this one probably just got the seal just got missed, but we're seeing it more and more nowadays. So hopefully this will get better. So just when you buy remanufactured parts, make sure you get brand name stuff. And there's always a little question mark as to whether or not the quality is where it's supposed to be. We all make mistakes. I'll make them here, so no big deal there. I just want to point it out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a blessed day.